All right, welcome back to Wicked Auto. So we're back with the Ram today. So what you guys have seen so far, if you watched all the videos, so the mirrors, this is 22 Ram, and those are the 22 mirrors from BoostAuto. They're the same in stock, come stock with the 22. You see how they look behind me. BoostAuto came out with new set of mirrors. So this is for the 19 to 22s. And they're 23 versions of the mirrors. So they're bigger, they're a little more squared off and not so oblong like the one behind me. So we're gonna put them in. Let's get started. All right, so these are the mirrors. All I did was cut the tape for the box and pull this bag out. So these are both mirrors. This is the bag of wiring that you can get or cannot get. That's up to you, those are your options. The link, of course, for these, always in the description. Everything that's ever on the channel is always in the description below. So, driver, passenger side, you can get them, the caps, black, chrome, or you can get them painted. They, of course, need your VIN and all that for that. These have been painted to match the truck. Spotlights, switchback, you can get it amber, you can get it white, sequentials, with the startup sequence, all that. Puddle lights on the bottom, running lights out the back. That is actually a light for the back as well. Then light for the front would come off of the lights facing the front, right? They're plug and play. All these options that you can add or not add is insane, what you can do with these mirrors. BoostAuto will always be better than factory. But that's what these are for. So this bag is actually for wireless for the spotlights. For these, again, only if you get that option on the mirrors. You don't have to get it, but we're gonna go through all of these, the install, as usual. Follow along. All right, so we're back. As you can see, this truck doesn't look right. The panel's off. So that's all you do. All right. You got to take out the window, pry tool, and this wire. Just unplug it. Passenger side, same thing, different wire, but unplug it. Then for the door handle, plastic. Okay. You pop off the little plastic cover right there. This piece goes right there. Just pop it off. Pick tool, pry tool, whatever. I just use a knife, get it in the corner. And as you can tell, has not dicked up the corner, not once. Big old Phillips right here. Unscrew that, and then you can take the plastic piece off. Okay, and it's got to slide out from the door handle. Slide it out. Then all around the door, these little holes. Okay, there's 6 of them. These little Torx bits, little clips. So they don't actually unscrew, but you have to unscrew them. So they're just little plugs. So there's the bottom. You get focus. So there's the bottom, right? So you just got to take a knife behind the head of this one while you're unscrewing it and pull them out. And then you just lift up over the lock and pull the door panel off. Okay, you're good to go. The mirror itself, there's 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 10 mil. And it should be plugged into this box down here. Unplug it, unscrew it, the mirror comes off. See, empty truck. So now all we do is put the new ones on. That's the very first step. Just take the new mirrors, put them in here, bolt them down, plug it back in. We're gonna do that and show you about it. Let's get it done. All right, so we're back and we're about done. So as you can see, all the wires, right? That's all this is. So ignore this one. This is a switch plugged in without the door panel on so we can show you. And the dinging, sorry about that. That truck obviously has to be on for this stuff to work. So the new mirror, right? You just put it in. This isn't even snug. I just put them on to hold it. The main wiring harness, you just plug them back in. White, black, green. If you have the green. You may not have the green. But if you do, white, black, green. It's the same as the mirrors that came out. This is normal operation. So to get the running lights, which is what the module is for, okay, you need to pull the white clip right there, and then pin 1, which is the top, pin 5 is the bottom one. So this truck, bottom pin 5 is red, top is a dark gray black wire. You use the provided T-taps on pin 1 and 5, red and gray wire. And then on the driver's side, you have the second wiring harness. You see the plastic coating instead of the wrapped. So the plastic coating is second harness for the driver's side only, okay? It has the plugs to plug it in. Black goes to the black, gray, red goes to red. Okay? I say black gray because it's a blackish gray wire. But you plug them in, then you plug in the corresponding right here, okay? So these little ones, this only matches this one, okay? But these ones, I mean, they still only match, but pink on the end of this harness, okay, goes to the 2 orange wires on the shiny harness, okay? And the other one is, where's the other one? Right here, this plug right here, blue and yellow to the orange and white, okay? Those are for the running lights. The blue, yellow, white, orange goes to the front, not the running lights, spotlights, sorry. Not running lights, my bad. Spotlights. Orange, white, blue, yellow goes to the front facing. The pink and 2 orange plug goes to the rear facing, which rear facing is right there. Front facing is obviously on the front. But that's, you plug them in, and then the driver's side module box has 2 plugs, right? Plug those 2 in. Passenger side, it's all the exact same thing, but it only comes with this 1 harness and 1 plug on the module, okay? Just tuck this in so it stays out of the way when you put the door panel back on, but that's it. So to get them to work, this truck did not come with spotlights from factory, okay? If it came from factory, you'd have a button up here above this to do the spotlights. This one did not. So to work it, you use the mirror adjustments. So I'm on the inside, you can't see it anyway, so I'm just gonna show you. You push whatever mirror, right? But pushing the left works both mirrors. So push left, then the left arrow, 1, 2, right arrow, 1, 2, and it turns, you'll hear the module beep, beep, okay? Then it turned on. Up is for the forward facing lights. Back is for the rear facing lights. They turn on and they stay on. Now, if you don't touch it within 10 seconds, the module turns off. So we were just testing it out. The lights on the mirror stayed on, okay? We didn't touch it, didn't turn them back off. The module shut down and the lights stayed on. So to turn them back on, left, right, press the button again and the lights went off. So I don't know if you'll be able to leave them on with the truck running, like you're driving down the road or something and you want to have the spotlights on. I don't know if you'll be able to do that, but I mean, it seems like it might be feasible, which could be nice. I know a lot of people want that for whatever reason. But let's go ahead and put this up here. I'll start the truck and then you can see the lights. So there's the running lights. Of course, we did get the sequential switchback. So it starts out amber and then slides and then comes on white instead of the amber. But if you want to do the turn signal, show them the amber on there. So there's a turn signal, and of course the same on the passenger side. Right. Now, if you see the difference between the old mirrors, right? The older style Dodge Ram mirrors were only about this high, right? And they folded up the moose ears, you know? These, you can tell how much bigger they are in the first place and wider. Like the mirror itself is actually pretty nice. So that's this side of it. Of course, the blind spot. It also shows the turn signal 4 ways. And you can get the top and the bottom heated because the bottom not being heated factory, because my Ford, it drives me nuts. The bottom should be heated too. So I really love the Boost. You can get both of them heated. I will always back BoostAuto. Every single thing. I mean, I've had BoostAuto on every truck that I have owned and put on this channel. Trucks that I didn't put on this channel, they always have BoostAuto parts. Always. I've never had an issue with them. Customer service is great. There's a spotlight. So that's the front. And then the rear. So they are pretty bright. I mean, it's daylight, but they are bright. They are bright LEDs. Light under here too, of course. But I've never once had any issues with BoostAuto. And he's over there turning them on and off. They're not doing it by themselves, so you don't think that. Never had an issue. Customer service is always great. If I ever have a question, I mean, they are better than factory. But so that's the install. Of course, I will link the mirrors themselves to go to their site and look through all the options that they have down below. And we will see you guys next time.